Man, so this is the sub box. About to take it open. Open it up, put it on the stand. Get the Steve Mead magnets, terminals put on, speaker terminals. I haven't went home yet to go get my scanner, but I have downloaded the Instrument and paid for it. So I'm ready to diagnose the timing and make sure the O2s are good. I did those down pipes and stuff, but I got it over here. I think the factory battery bad, but it might be that the light isn't connected. So that's what I'm thinking. What else? I need to get that fan and take it over there. And started taking the spare tire out. Just gotta unbolt the bracket for it. So 4 bolts, 2 at the bottom, 1 each side. Unbolt those. Get the box set. Wire the subs. I'm gonna put the box in, then put the subs in because it's gonna be too heavy for me. No, I'm a little dude. So the speaker's like 80 pounds each, and then the box is 115 pounds. So 270. I need to find a way to see how we're gonna mount it down too. Haven't came up with nothing. I'm probably dirty, man. My face probably dirty as hell. I've been over here for a minute, but I'm just working, doing a little bit of everything, trying to get a lot of stuff done. But let me go ahead and unbox these. All right, here we go. So I just kind of want to do a test fit with the subs in there, with a sub in there, and make sure everything's good, because you know, you go off factory spec sometimes, it don't always be what it say. So yeah, all in all, I think it's a cool box. Curse. LEDs. I'm not sure the color, but I dig it. I always wonder how people put plexiglass on these, but I see now. It's pretty cool. And then when people do 3/4 plexiglass, I actually looked it up, man. Those sheets are like $250 each. And like, say if you got a big sub box, take up your whole trunk almost, so the whole top. I seen a lot of people do that. The whole top is plexiglass. Man, that's like a $300 sheet of glass. But yeah, about to go ahead and drop 1 sub in. Actually, don't want to put the sub in. The reason why is it's very, very heavy. So I just wait till I put it in the truck. Get my measuring tool right here in my engine box, which I need a new one because it's getting too small. Keep buying stuff for it. So we're gonna measure and see if I have the hole saw size for these magnetic pieces. Alright, it's kind of lopsided, but 2.75 is what I have. So I doubt I have that size, but we can check. There's my hole saw set. Nope, 3 inches. No, I didn't have it. No, I didn't have it. I use it just so often, but I got a cup holder piece. So that might be bigger. Yeah, that's definitely bigger. So I need to go get a hole saw for the terminals. But for the time, I can still put them in there and cut the holes later. I don't know if I really want to do all that though, just to do it over. I mean, I can put it in there and put the 8 gauge in there. And once I cut the hole, the wires will be right there big enough for me to stick my hand in and get it. So I think I might just go ahead and still do that. But yeah, that's a monster, man. What's up, guys? I'm back and I'm on a Tahoe doing audio. So today I'm gonna try my best to get both doors down to my the 4-speaker wires for each door ran. Possibly I gotta contact the owner. I don't have service when I come over here, so if I step out I may get messages, but it'll take a while. He's putting speakers in the dash and in the pillars. I need to take pictures, but this video might be good enough because it's going up tomorrow, but I'm gonna take pictures anyway. So what I'm trying to do, since I don't know the exact length of what I need, and I'm trying to not be excessive because I have the amps going under this back seat, I'm just running it to there. So it'll be turning here, straight in, but I'll probably come back a little bit more like the bumper because I'm trying to not use everything. Yeah, that should be plenty. Trying to not use everything, and yeah, I was trying to get a lot of stuff done at once. So I'm working on a box over here, and then I'm doing this. So when the compressor cut on and off, I just come back and forth. The cold air intake, well, I'll leave the mechanical stuff for another video, but yeah, I'll just keep you all in the loop. Just give me a sec. One door down. One door down. So my label maker is at home, and it's out of tape. Let me get this mask on. It's out of tape, so I just put some duct tape on there, and then I'll put the labels on there when my tape come in. Should be in the next few days. But this door panel is done. You don't ever have to come off again. And you might ask why it's 4 wires, and this is 14 gauge. This is like the thickest 14 gauge I've ever seen. It's 4 because 2 is going to 1 amp, and then 2 is going to the other amp. And what I was about to say, it's gonna be different settings for two of the set of speakers in the door. So it's gonna be 2 that's mids and then 2 that's mid highs or highs. But I don't know the exact specs and everything, but I'll see them when they come in. But I'm about to go get my Tesla tape. Well, the customer's Tesla tape. I got some at home that I use on my LS harness. But I'm about to go ahead and wrap this all up. And this carpet's coming up, so I'm not gonna stick it on the carpet. I'll probably just make it roll and sit it right there. Whole carpet, all the seats, all this coming out, so I can get sound done everywhere. Same thing with the roof. Yeah, all that. But let me go ahead and keep on working, try and keep y'all in the loop, man. I'm gonna end up saving a whole bunch of those pieces so I can try to use as much as I can and save some money for the customer. So still be able to keep all his old stuff and work with it. But yeah, let's get this other panel on. I mean, this panel on, get the other panel off, and we can start doing the same thing next. Shoot for the radio. That should be pretty quick too. So for the radio, all you have to do, pop this off. For those who don't know, I know it's a lot of y'all who just trying to learn from me. It's a lot of people who already know. So if you already know, these are not for you. So to take this radio off, you drop the steering wheel down, put it in first, the lowest it can go, and this panel, this all clips. So just pop off, and you can unscrew the radio. So you get in the dash kit. The dash kit comes with the bracket, the radio bracket, and you slide the radio into the bracket, and you do the wiring. I'll show y'all that part in a second. But let me go ahead and get this door panel back on and all these covers and stuff. What you say?
I like this car.
Why you like it?
Because I do.
Because we do. Why you do?
Because it's so cool.
It's so cool?
Yeah.
Just wait on it. We're done. About to wrap up this wiring right here. and then do the sound deadener on the back doors. And then put the radio in, and then put the front seats out. So prior to me touching this, I noticed like when we first got it in, the electric lock and unlock didn't work on it. So yeah, and it don't work on this one. So I had to lock it with the key. I ain't sure if it's still unlocked. Yeah, I have to lock it and unlock with the key. So I might, I'm gonna look into it, but I'm not going all crazy as far as trying to figure it out right now. But just putting that in there.
Daddy, we're helping to roll it up.
Yeah, she having so much fun. Rolling on. Let me see. Paint it. Let's see. Yeah, make these boys. On the other side.
What are you calling?
What am I calling?
Yeah.
I ain't calling nobody. I'm recording. You rolling. You painting?
Yeah.
Yeah, this some thick stuff, man. Yeah, just trying to make progress little by little on everything. Well, about to pull the radio out now, and then pull the radio out now. Install the new one. All right, got the radio, Kenwood KDC X502. So it has 2 USBs, mic, Bluetooth, 3 pre-outs, one for sub, front and rear. Decent radio. This is like a regular style bracket for it. So when you get your radio, it'll come like that. And what you gotta do is make sure these tabs right here actually lock into the radio. You know, some people, they try to screw into the radio. You see it happen. So I'm just telling you. So these tabs, they like bendable. So bend it in and then push the radio in this way and it'll lock. All right, so all these little tabs right here is what you lock onto the bracket. So I'm about to put it back on and then show y'all. All right, so it looks something like this. And this is where you bend the tab, like the one that's not all the way in, but not all the way out. So this ain't gonna work. You gotta make the radio loose. So I'm gonna go with these two, and then try to go for the same ones on the bottom, and the radio will be tight. And you know, like a lot of people, when you hit bumps and stuff, the radio shake, the CD player skip sometimes because the radio too loose, and that's why you gotta get the ones that's closest in there. All right, so once you pop that out, steering wheel all the way down, and put it in first. I took the battery. I disconnect the battery when I'm doing this stuff because I don't want the battery to die. Nothing crazy as far as shock, but take this out. You push this tab in, and this unlock. It's push button 4x4, so you just push this tab and they come back. Radio, same way. You're gonna connect it. You're gonna push these 2 tabs on the side down and pull it out. All right, so I got the base amp and the battery. In my head, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make this angle behind the seat. Ever since I did that one angle box, I like doing it now. But I didn't think that this battery would be this wide. It actually is not that big for the power, but I didn't think it's gonna be this wide. So originally what my goal was is to put the battery inside this box piece, right? Which I still, I can't even try. It's gonna be too tall. The box, I made it just as wide as the box, 40 inches. So it's a gap over here and a gap over here. So if I push the box to the side, I'll be able to do it, but I wanted it all to look symmetrical. I didn't install the radio, but that'll be on the next part. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do now. Because it's my time to go. But put everything back. But might just push the box back a couple inches, cut this out, and then make that part for the amp. It's gonna come like here, and the amp will be lower than this piece here. Probably try to get some plexiglass to match the plexiglass that's already there, and then cut this out, push the box back some more, and then have this sitting in this cut piece. I don't know, or make a bigger piece like this, but it's already kind of close, so I don't want to push it back no farther. I don't want to push it back no farther. So I went like what I thought would be good for it, but trying to get the pause amps under the seat. I'm trying to see if I can get it the tall way. Let's see though. I doubt it, but we'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be tight, man. It's gonna be tight. Trying to figure out something in my head. Maybe I need to sleep on it, but definitely got a lot done in a few hours I was here, and I wasn't just working on this, which I need to. Yeah, maybe I need to sleep on it, man. Really didn't think this amp was gonna be this long either, but yeah, try to figure something out. Like this design right here. So the battery, you won't see nothing past here. So here and lower, all right, this be flush here. All this will be wood wrapped with whatever, or painted, whatever. Amp angled this way, and be able to stick this bottom of the amp into it like that. Yeah, that's like all I can come up with right now. It's like all I can come up with. It's a lot to be able to, I have to stick under the seat, so I'm gonna just keep playing with this a little bit. See what I can come up with. All right, man. I just put the amp and battery rack in there. Jeez, I'm hot. I'll put those little side pieces on the battery to hold it in place, but I actually really think they look cool. So we'll take a couple pictures and see. Man, it was just hard to get that thing up there. The amp and battery together heavy. The battery ain't all that heavy though, but the amp with it, it's heavy. But let me snap these pics and upload this to Instagram. I'm about to go. Got a lot done for the day, and I'm out.